Okay, so we're back to the video. Guess we have Spiegelman with this now, but I wonder all the creatures and the spooky, scary skeletons, or maybe just a weird spook. That song is dead. No, it's not. What? Huh? Oh, I know what you're trying to do. Wait, no. No! What are you being for Halloween? It's King Boo! Of course it is. You think I would never have a twin? Of course I had to a twin on Halloween. Was you scared to wait me or something? I'm climbing through the vents, and I'm just like intense. What's that song it's coming from? I am a robot. I'm just kidding, guys. Look at my new awesome robot costume. Do you like it? Oh, that's sick. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Now have fun at the Halloween station. Wait, this is the Halloween station. I mean, depending on the stuff I seen, it should be more considered. And I don't know how this is, like, scary. Yeah. Traveling through the vents. What's with these fallen trends? Oh my god, it's rare purple. You're like worth like $300, I think. Something like that. But you're still really cool. Yeah, I'm shiny. Look at me. I'm so shiny. I'm the rare purple. Look at me. I'm so shiny. Yeah. I'm way better than the regular purple. But welcome to us. What's it called? I don't know. Just call it whatever you want. Halloween. I don't even know. Cut! Well, what do you think I'm doing? I'm the director. Okay. Sorry, we were having some technical difficulties. Anyways, back to here. Yeah, we were having technical difficulties. Yeah. But yeah, I'm so rare. Look at me. I'm a little mystery. Hold on. Look at this. This is a mystery bag. Look, that's me. But I'm silver and I'm shiny and I'm worth $300. But I think somebody wants it. I'm like, finally somebody bought me. Oh my gosh, it's Red Rainbow Friend. Yeah, it's me, although it's not the other one. The other one's cool, but I got a party hat. Look, we're like twins. Look. We're like twins. We're like twins. We both have party hats. We're both red. What am I holding? Oh, I'm holding fireworks. Oh, because we have to pick up fireworks. The fireworks in chapter 2. I don't even know. I'm just happy to be here. Hope you guys have fun at the Halloween station. Me and Red are gonna chill out. Yeah. Hold on. And we just got this stuff today. Ooh, they sent you a Halloween mystery figure. Do you dare to open it? Oh my gosh, I actually do wanna. Let's go get the scissors. Anyways, so let's just open this. It's got the scissors. Ooh, let's see what we got. Ooh, what is this? did we get like a shark portion? Oh, we got this dude. What's his name? Ooh, this. Wait. Oh, this is the main character. That would have been super cool if we got that. But we got the panda monster. I mean, doesn't really look like a panda, but he's still really cool. This video is kind of like turning into a boss fight to unboxing. Like what? How does that even make sense? I don't even know. Am I a girl or a boy? Maybe you're both genders. Yeah, I don't really know because I am a monster. Alright, well, happy Halloween! I'm going on Carl's backpack. Happy Halloween! But we got like 5 new characters. Like we got baby Ghosty, and we just got them today, and we just got the costumes today, and yeah, but we are not prepared for the last one. The last one is gonna be probably the main boss. Yeah, because I'm not actually the main boss. I'm just chilling. Yep. Just chilling. Anyways, let's go for the second final boss. Yo, guys! That's crazy! There's a tow truck out there. Look at it. Look, see? That's a tow truck. There's a tow truck out there lifting my neighbor's car. Like, what? I don't know. I'm starting to feel like it's actually breaking down. Anyways, next. Well, before we get to that, I got Halloween candy. Ooh, the cheeseburger looking real nice. And I also got this cute little snowman. I also got Rudolph. And I got Pumpkin, Frankenstein, and Opila. I thought it was Opila for a sec. Looks like Opila, but it's actually a witch. But anyways, let's open the burger today's. Whoa, guys, look at this burger. It looks like a real burger. Mmm.
I guess. Has he ever bothered you?
Mm.
You tell him he's never bothered you before. Yes. Why are you asking me these questions?
And you get to suggest what candy we have next. We could have Rudolph, the snowman. Pumpkin, Frankenstein, Opila / witch. Anyways, back tow truck. There's a freaking tow truck. Oh my god. Guys, look. It's got my next door's neighbor's car. Back to the video. Hello. I'm Huggy. Anyway, I just want to know you're not ready for the final boss. Bye. Wait, so that was the second final boss. Okay. Tow truck.
Pay close attention to and call your doctor if you become depressed, have sudden changes.
Happy Halloween! Take this, Bran. Take this. Oh my gosh, it's Huggy! I'm gonna use this as a sword to protect you guys. This is my ninja sword now. Okay. Cut. Anyways, who do you want to see next? Do you want to see Five Nights at Freddy's? Five Nights at Freddy's. Or do you want to see a new Ghana Band character, tell me in the comments. This video is 10 minutes. Plus, this whole video, if part 2 and part 1, this was 14 minutes. Alright, bye guys!
What's a hot shot?